now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 6, that is clothes and dresses. We all wear clothes. By wearing clothes, we look smart, right? Then, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and insect bite. So, clothes makes look smart and pleasing. So, here, go for it. Here you have to find the name of 5 dresses which is hidden in this box, right? You have to write the name of any 5. Let's study about the types of clothes. You know that we all wear the clothes according to the season. We have 3 seasons, that is spring, winter and summer, winter and monsoon. Summer season, it's a hot season. In this season, what do we wear? We wear cotton clothes because cotton is a good spit absorber, right? If we talk about winter clothes, what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. Why? Because it's very cold at that time and by wearing woolen clothes, we feel warm, right? Then we have monsoon season, which is the rainy season, in which what happens कि जब बारिश पड़ती है तो हम क्या हो जाते हैं, wet हो जाते हैं. To protect us from this wet, what we wear? Raincoats, gumboots, right? Which helps us to keeping our body dry, right? So let's study in summers. What do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. They keeps our body cool. They allow air to pass through. And what? They are the absorb sweats from our body. Cotton is obtained from cotton ply. The fiber are woven to make cotton threads, right? In cold winter, if we talk about what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes, right? Which keeps us warm. They are made up of wool. We get wool from sheep, camel and young. Then we have silk clothes. Silk clothes we wear in winter on special occasions. They are woven from the cocoon of silkworm. They are fed on the mulberry leaves. The thread from cocoon are woven to make silk. We use raincoats, umbrella and gumboots when in rainy season to protect ourselves from them. They keeps us dry and they are made from rubber and plastic. हमें dry रखते हैं और ये किससे बनते हैं? Rubber and plastic. Now let's study about the varieties of dresses. So what are the different varieties of dresses? In India, if we talk about men and women wear large variety of dresses. Different states of India have different dressing tradition. Like हम साड़ी की बात करें, it's a traditional, the popular dress of Indians women. Right? The other popular dresses of women are bhagra with kachli in Rajasthan, lehenga choli in Gujarat, salwar kameez in dhoti kurta and pajama are the popular dresses in North India and central part of country. In South, men wear lungi, usko हम वेस्टी कहते हैं तमिल नाडु में. Mundu in Kerala. In Gujarat and Rajasthan, what do men wear? Angarkha and dhoti pajama. In Kashmir, the men and women wear gown, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सिरार. Besides these traditional dresses, shirt, trouser are worn by all Indian men. Salwar kameez and sari, they are worn by almost all Indian women. So let's study about some other dresses. Classical dancer in India, if we talk about, they wear special dresses while they perform the dance. ठीक है, जब अपना डांस परफॉर्म करते हैं, which shows rich culture of India. जो क्या शो करता है? रिच कल्चर ऑफ इंडिया. ट्राइबल पीपल ऑल ओवर द इंडिया हैव देयर ओन ट्रॉपिकल. सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ट्राइब फ्रॉम नागालैंड वियर शॉल्स एज ड्रेस. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट डांस फॉर्म्स ड्रेसेस लाइक कुचिपुड़ी, कथक, भरतनाट्यम एंड उड़ीसी. सो वी मस्ट wear clean clothes to stay healthy. आपको clean clothes पहनने हैं. And we must wash clothes regularly and dry them properly, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.